use, and my mom. Check this out. This is a Sport Infused Headband that goes on your head. Best thing, put your iPod right on your head. Look at that. That's an iPod. What we're going to do is we're going to stick this iPod onto my head, and things are going to get really funky around here. Okay, so what do we have here? We have the headset itself, this fake little thing here. You put the iPod in there. Let me grab some hot tunes. What do we want to listen to today? Let's listen to a little Cher. Taxi Taxi. This is my wife's iPod. And let's move this girl over here. Come on in there, sweetheart. Let's see here. Then we take these endings and plug them in right here. One end. This is Believe, actually. Now, ladies and gentlemen, whoa, this is loud. Ah! Ladies and gentlemen, I think what we have here is an example of the engineering prowess of our nation's best industrial designers. I am so pleased with this product that I intend to wear it around the house today because it's actually getting colder out here. It's a little bit tight for my head, but I'm sure if you had a smaller head, where's the pause? God damn it. There we go. I'm sure if you had a smaller head, it would be much more useful. And if you had a smaller head, you wouldn't have the brain capacity to understand that you look like a huge douche. This is the i360 music infused apparel sport headband. iPod right here, headphones up in here somewhere. It doesn't fit very well, but I assure you, friends, this is the future of iPod infused apparel. John Biggs from Crunch Gear, signing off.